question number two for RChilli, if I say how the CTO thinks. The new Gen AI, or forget about Gen AI, it is now agents, or co-pilots, all that stuff you can collaborate. CTO has the power to change the whole product by some single prompt coming in. It should not be, okay, we decide in management, now we write a user flow, everything. Agile is a faster, but Gen AI Agile is much, much faster than that. It's not a 15 days of sprint cycle. You can shift it to 1 day sprint cycle stuff. That's the one. Second, this is a broad V change in that. Earlier what happens is people write a code, it go to testing, and then you have a compliance check and all that stuff. Now this all Gen AI or Copilot tools, the moment the developer writes anything, it gets tested there itself. It is compliant, it is a code smell is done, code coverage is done on that. So everything has to be taken care at that moment, not at the later point. This reduces the whole development cycles. So error comes at the end, which is on Friday, and you get to know error, and the next week you're gonna fix. No, you fix on Monday, you get an error on Monday, you fix it there itself. That is how the new organization structure is coming in. Agents are there. It is an integral part of this whole organization. When developer writes, agents are there to audit them. It's not a person who's going to audit it. Of course, developer get a help from Copilot. We use Copilot for that to write codes, get recommendations, what all that stuff comes in. But there's the validation stuff goes on, compliance stuff goes on immediately at that level. Think about agents as part of the coding. They are not going to go away. They will be there. They are going to work faster and they will make more efficient.